So guys, let's move on to the
color
round.
slime.
Okay. Yeah, basically the third round.
So which one should I take? Have to do.
Guys, I'm gonna mix red and white a little bit.
I think I'm just gonna add black because we have never made black slimes. So just because of that. You can choose yours.
I think I want red with white to make pink. So
I'm just gonna add a bit, like a little glue in this because like I just don't want to waste that much glue because I want to make more slimes.
come on, you better have a lot of.
I know, but still, just take that.
Okay. As you guys can see, I'm done with adding my glue.
As you can see, I'm done with adding my glue and time to put in my paint. It's kind of turning like gray type, but yeah, it's gonna turn black. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love black and blue.
So guys, we need a lot of red. Without red,
Oh my god.
slime wouldn't be pink.
See,
Guys, I don't think so we need white that much because I'm really liking the color.
yeah, I think you just because the glue is white, so you don't need the white color.
But if it's turns red, I'm gonna need white.
It is pink.
Yeah, not really.
Oh my god, just look at the color, it's grey.
I mean,
After
we
I-
need to add more black
I know, right?
to make it pink.
Ow.
We can make a galaxy slime.
I don't want. It will, like, I have to add a glitter for the galaxy slime. Wait, it's like forming black. I just don't want to add any more black. I'm gonna add black to it.
Okay, yeah. My slime is pretty much done.
Yeah, I think so. Here's that glitter.
Okay, guys, I've added the activator and now it's forming. Guys, I really like the color.
Yeah, even I like this black slime color. It's like too unique.
Yeah, I love black, but only black with glitter. And this is not a glitter one, so that's why I can't add glitter.
Because this is
Okay,
the
my
challenge.
slime is more.
Okay, sure. And add
Is forming.
activated.
I also need activator on my hands.
Oops.
Took a little bit too much.
I just kind of need this.
So you just put the activator like you're putting sanitizer.
Yeah, and kind of washing your hands with soap. So I'll meet you guys when I'm done making this slime. So guys, this time I think it's a tie again because basically we both are the winners.
Yeah.
So guys, bye, and I hope you like this video. And again, I'll just show you my slime.
Yeah.
I know it's-
So this is my slime. It's pink. I like it. It's not that stretchy, but it's nice. I like the color.
So right here, why I like this slime because it's unique. As you can see, it's black. No one makes black slimes because people make pink, red, yellow, and all. Like
Bright colors?
Yeah, bright colors. But no one makes black, so I thought it's unique. So let's make it. So that's why I like my slime, because it's unique. So, and it's stretchy as well. So I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye.